Hi guys, Sundar from Tamilnadu. This is 5 GB rig for Ether mining. They have AMD Radeon ASUS RX 580 4 GB cards with 5 cards plus Intel Celeron and MSI Z270 Pro motherboard, 4 GB Hynix RAM, 64 GB SSD, RM 1000 RX 1000X power supply unit, then plus PCA riser adapter. I have set up this mining rig for Ethereum plus SIA dual mining. I am using Windows 8.1 for better performance. Windows 7 and Windows 10 editions have some problem for Ethereum mining. Windows is not working properly and sometimes stopped the graphic card driver. Then I have facing some problem, but Windows 8.1 have no problem, nicely going on my mining rig. Now see my graphic cards in device manager. Display adapters, ASUS Radeon RX 580 series with 5 cards. Now go to mining. I am doing in ETH plus SIA dual mining using Claymore version 9.5 with better performance. I am already modded BIOS, then I have pretty MH for Ethereum. RX 580 4 GB cards give one each card, average 27 mAh for each card. I put 5 cards, then I 135 mAh plus 1100 mAh for SIA gain. This I have some miner for good pretty working, and I have some more profit. Do you have any doubt or further mining rig inquiries? Please call back to me. My mobile number 7010049994. Thank you.